everyone, welcome back to my channel Cat by Nagendra. So in this video we are going to see about advanced mates. So in before tutorial we have seen only about standard mates, nothing but coincidence, again distance mate, angle mate, like that. So now we are going to see little advanced options in assembly design mates. Those are advanced mates. Now just let me enter into here new assembly design. Let's say okay. So I don't want to call any parts. Just let me close this. Now, in these mates, if you want to activate this mate, some parts should be available in this assembly design. So to call that existing parts, we'll go here with insert components. So to explain you in a free and clear way about this advanced mates, I have created these two parts. Let me open this base first. So these advanced mates will be used with our like according to our requirement. So it will be similar to standard mates, but it will be little advanced to this standard mates. Like let me explain you one by one. Again, I'll call one more component, this part 2. I'll keep it somewhere here. Now, if I click on mates, first we will be having here standard mates. Already we have seen about this all standard mates. Then next I'll go here with advanced mates. In this advanced mate, first one we are having here profile center. So what is meant by this profile center means, let's say for example, this block we need to keep exactly at center of this face, somewhere here, exactly at center. In such condition, if you want to go with standard mates, we need to select this front plane to front plane, again side plane to side plane, again this top face to bottom face we need to select. Then only this block will settle exactly center of this block. So if you are using with standard mates, we are going to apply 3 mates here. But in a simple way, by using profile center only a single mate, we can make this block exactly center of this block. So let me show you that. For that, we don't want this cut part. So this base I'll open here. This cut extrude mouse right click. Just I'll make it here suppress. So suppress is nothing but we are not going to delete this. Just it will be deactivated. In simple words, we can say activation and deactivation. Just I have deactivated this cut extrude. Now mate. I'll go here with advanced mates. First one we are having profile center. I am selecting this profile center. So which one to which one we need this profile center mate? We need relation between this top face. It should be attached with this bottom face. Once if I click this face, as you can see, automatically it will go and it will settle exactly center of this face like this. Here no need to select plane to plane or face to face or distance, nothing. Directly we can make it exactly center of this block like this. Then we are able to give here dimension also. If I give here like 10 mm, this face to this face dimension, it will move reverse. So if you want in reverse direction, we can make it flip dimension also. We are able to adjust this height. Distance mate also we can give, or else we will keep it here 0. Let's say okay. Like this. Within a single mate, properly this block will be fixed exactly at center. If I try to move, it won't move, and here also it is not showing minus. So it means it is already fully defined. So like this we can use this profile center. Now let me go back by using Ctrl+Z. Then let me make here unsuppress, like let me activate that block properly. Then again mate, under advanced mate, second one we are having here symmetric. So about this symmetric already we are seeing from sketcher onwards. So symmetry is nothing but with reference to any central axis, whatever the distance we will be having on one side, equal distance will be applied for opposite side also by using this symmetric relation. Now let's say for example, this cutout we are having, we don't know how much distance we are having of this cutout. Then this block is there. What we wanted here is this block should be settled exactly center of this cut part. It means if this block is somewhere here, whatever the distance we are having from this edge to this edge, same distance should be distributed from this edge to this edge also. In such condition, we need to go for dimensions, we need to calculate dimension, again we need to go for distance mate, and we need to give the distance. Instead of all that unnecessary things, directly we can go here with symmetric option. Just I'll click on symmetric, then symmetry plane. So which is the symmetry plane we want? So we need this block center of these two faces, right? So symmetry plane will be exactly of the center. If we are selecting this face, that face will be coming exactly at center. But we need entire block should be at center. Just I'll open this assembly, then I'll open this part 2. We will select this exactly center plane. So this is the center plane. Then between which faces we want that plane, between this face and this face we want that plane. If I say OK, like this it will come. So by using Ctrl+5, I'll keep it top view. Now just I'll move here. If I try to move left and right, it won't move. Why? Because we have applied symmetric relation between this exactly center plane and this face to this face. And whatever the dimension we are having from this edge to this edge, same distance will be here also. Let me show you that by using this evaluate measure. If I measure dimension from this edge to this edge, so this is the violet color one, 22.75. Same if I select from this edge to this edge, here also we are having same 22.5. So like that we can use this symmetry relation or symmet mate in advanced mates. Let me go back by using Ctrl+Z. Then again mate. Then under this advanced mates, we'll see here this width. So width will be similar to symmetric. Symmetric is nothing but we are able to apply relation for a single plane with reference to two faces. But width means here also we are selecting two faces, here also we are selecting two faces. It means this face and this face, it should be exactly center of this face and this face. Here also it will come similar to that. Let me keep it here top view, Ctrl+5. Same here also, if I try to move left and right, it won't move. And whatever the distance we are having from this to this, same will be applied for this side also. That is symmetric. Plane means with reference to a single plane, with reference to two supports we can apply. But width means between two faces we can apply within two faces support. So like that we can use this width option also. Then again mate under advanced mates. Next we are having here path mate. So this is also very useful option. Path mate is nothing but, let's say for example, one block is there, this block is there. This block should travel only with reference to this path. It means it should not move either left side or right side or any direction. This should follow only with reference to this path. Like this only it should travel. In such condition we can use path mate. So to create that path mate, let me make relation between this top face. It should be attached with this. We'll make it here coincident. It means it will travel with same height. Why? Because if you won't give this one, it will move like a rotation. It will go up and down, different directions. It will move. Let me make it here coincidence. It will travel only with that height. Then we'll go here with advanced mate called path mate. In this path mate, we need to select here component vertex. Whatever the block or whatever the part, we need to make it travel along with this path. That part should have one vertex point. So I have already created one center point here. To show that, I'll go here visibility. I'll turn on here points. Point is there. Just I'll select this point. Then that point should be travel along with this path. So this is the path, right? Just I'll select this path. And if I say OK, and if I try to move this block, just you can see it will move only with reference to that path. Like this. Up to that end only it will move. More than that it won't move. Less than that also it won't move. Like that we can use this path mate like this. Let me show you this path mate. So this is the path mate edit feature. So here we'll be having different options. So free means however we want we can move that, or else we can use here distance along path, how much distance it should travel. If I give here some 20 mm, it will move only 20 mm, either in this direction or that direction. Then let me make it here 0. It should start from here only. Again, pitch and control will be there. So here also it should move either freely or it should follow the path. Properly it will follow the path with reference to that. Then again we are having roll control. Same here also. Free will be there, up vector will be there. As already be given coincidence, it will move proper to that. So just if I try to move along with that path only, it will move like this. So in this way, we can use this path mate. Let me go back by using Control plus Z. Then again mate, advanced mates. Next we are having here linear or linear coupler will be there. So what is meant by this linear or linear coupler means, let's say for example, this block is there somewhere here. Let me apply some relations. So I'll make this face, this bottom face, it should be straight to this bottom face. I'll make it coincidence. Then this face to this face, I'll make it coincidence. Now this block will be able to move only like this. Now imagine that same block we are having opposite side also. So again, instead of going for insert component, just I'll hold control. I will drag this part like this. Extra we are able to take. Same mates, whatever we have applied here, same I will apply here also. So this bottom face, it should attach with this bottom face. This face, it should attach with this face. Okay. Now, let me adjust here same straight only by using Control plus 5. I'll make it straight here. Now this block also able to move like this. Then this block also able to move like this. Now what we want means, we need relation between these two blocks, that if we move a single block, automatically this opposite block also should move either in the same direction or in reverse direction. So for that case, we can use this linear coupler. I hope you understood. So if we move a single block, along with this block, opposite block also should move either in same direction or opposite direction. Now let me go here with this linear coupler. So just I'll go here with advanced mates, linear or linear coupler. So here mate selection. We need to select the faces in which direction this block should move. Now this block, I'll click on this linear coupler. First block I need to move this in this direction. Then second block we need this face. You can see that arrow mark it is showing here. So if I delete this and if I click on the same, you can see that arrow in which direction it is able to move. Then you can see here color codes. So this is a blue one, this is a violet one. We are able to change here ratio. So let me make it here 1:1 only, and let's say okay. Now if I move a single block, automatically this opposite block also will move. And if I move here 1 mm, this also will move only 1 mm. Why? Because we have not given any ratio. Now let me edit this linear coupler mate. Now this blue one I need to move only 1 mm, but with reference to that it should move here 2 mm. I am giving here double. If I say OK, then if I move here little, you can see how much it is moving. Let me keep it here top view. 1 mm if I move, opposite block should move 2 mm like this. Like this it will move. Then again, this linear coupler, I'll go here with edit feature. I'll make it here reverse direction. So reverse I'll turn on, I'll say OK. Now, if I move this block in right side, it will come left side. Like this, opposite side also we can move. So according to our requirements, we can use this different type of advanced mates wherever we require. Let me go back by using Control plus Z. Or else just I will delete all these mates. We don't want any relation here. Just I'll make it here, delete yes to all, and one more block also we don't want. Just I will delete this block also. I'll keep it somewhere here. Then mate, advanced mates. Next to this linear or linear coupler, next option we are having here distance. Same this distance mate we have seen under standard mates. So in standard mates, if we are going here with a distance mate, we are able to specify how much distance we want from either face to face or plane to plane. Only one dimension we are able to give if we are going with standard mates distance mate. Whereas if we go here with advanced distance mate, we are able to give here minimum distance and maximum distance. It means, let's say for example, let me make it here coincidence constraint between this face, this bottom face and this bottom face I'll give. It should move only straight to that like this. Then let me apply this relation also, this mate and this one. We need here coincident. Let's say okay. Now this will be able to move only this left and right directions. Let me make it top view. This is able to move only left and right. Now somewhere here I'll keep it here, this one. Mate. I'll go here with advanced mates. That too we are going here with this distance mate. Now mate selection, I want a distance between this face to this face. Here we are able to give here two dimensions, either like minimum dimension and maximum dimension. Minimum, let's say for example, I need some 5. Maximum, I need here some 50. Or else little more only I'll give, some 100 I'll give. So either in this direction or we can make it reverse direction. I don't want reverse, I need only normal one. Then whatever we have given here maximum, I'll keep it here same 100. Let's say now if I move near to that, it won't attach to that. It will be leaving 5 mm gap of this minimum distance. So if I go here with evaluate and if I measure this dimension between this face to this face, gap will be left off 5 mm here. Why? Because we given minimum distance 5. Again if I try to move more, up to there only it will go. Again if I check dimension between this face and this face, maximum dimension it will be 100. Like that we are able to restrict this movement by giving minimum distance and maximum distance, how much it should travel, by using this advanced distance mate. So if we go with the standard distance mate, we are able to give only a single distance. Here we are able to give minimum distance and maximum distance. Minimum how much it should come close, maximum how much it should move away. Like that we can use. Then let me go back by using Ctrl+Z. Next, similar to that we'll be having here angle mate. Same here also. In standard mates angle we are able to give only a single angle, but in advanced mates we are able to give minimum angle and maximum angle. For that, for better understanding, let me apply relation between this edge to edge, okay, this face to face, okay. Now this block will be able to rotate like this, inclination angle. Now we need some angle between this face to this face. So here we are able to give minimum angle and maximum angle. So let me go here with advanced mates, angle between this face to this face. Now here minimum angle, let's say for example I need 3 degrees. Maximum it should move only 45 degrees. Then now current it should be with 45 degrees. Either you want the reverse direction or same direction. Let's say okay. Now let me keep it here, Ctrl+1 front view. If I come close to that, it won't touch to that. Minimum angle here it will be 3 degrees. Then again if I move this more, maximum it can go up to 45 degrees inclination. More than that it won't go, and beyond this it won't come. So like that, according to our requirements, we can use this different type of things. So that is about this advanced mates. I hope you have understood about this advanced mates. In next tutorial, we are going to see about this mechanical mates. So if you are really understanding my videos, please like the video, share to your friends to whom it will be useful. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting.